Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, May 29th, 2020. Technically, our last day to turn in assignments and probably our last video for a little while, though I think maybe I'll make a few here and there throughout the summer for any of you who want to try out for some those fun questions or to do a little math here and there. We do have a Zoom meeting coming up at 10. If you are able to attend, that'd be great. I just want to thank you all for a wonderful, wonderful school year. I'm sorry it ended like the way it did. But as long as everybody's healthy and made it out okay, our friends and family are okay, then it was good. It was good we did it because we probably avoided some yucky germs. And hopefully next year we'll get to see each other again in person. If you have any Mr. Robux, you can spend them next year. Come one day at the end of the school day. Can't guarantee I'll be able to let everybody spend who comes at the same time. Maybe we'll figure it out and do like a couple kids at a time. All right, Weird But True 2. I will read a couple pages in the book today. Earth travels about 1.6 million miles every day. An alligator grows about 3,000 teeth in a lifetime. Manatees are related to elephants. Whoa. And yesterday's answer was 7 octopi. I think that was yesterday's. So I will give you a question if you'd like to try it. The one about the alligators. Okay, alligators grow, let's say they grow exactly 3,000 teeth in a lifetime. How many teeth would there be if there were 6 alligators? How many teeth would they grow in a lifetime if there were 6? All right. Again, we have that meeting coming up at 10. I will ask if you're watching this that when you are on the meeting, if you want to say something, try to raise your hand. I will try to notice it. That way, when we go to talk, it's not everybody talking all at the same time and confusing. Okay? All right. I'll see you there. If not, thank you for a wonderful school year. I'm sorry it ended short as far as going to school, but I loved having you in my class, and I look forward to seeing you next year and all the years to come that you want to try and visit. I'm always going to be there, I hope. But miss you. Have a good summer. Bye.